How to make money on Amazon in South Africa.
Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're good guys and I hope you're fantastic. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money on Amazon in South Africa specifically. Okay, number one guys, you can make money on Amazon by becoming a seller. You can sell your products, you can sell any products that you have, can be books, can be clothing and anything. You can go there and get verified and then you can start selling your products. Number two, you can be able to become an affiliate. They call it in Amazon a Amazon associate. So you can be able to become an affiliate. What you will be doing is to promote the products that you get from their website. Number two, how does Amazon Associate Program work? Okay, that's also a good question. How does Amazon Associate Program work? So what happens is that you become an affiliate. Okay, you become an affiliate and then you promote products. Okay, now when you become an affiliate, you need to go through the process of being approved. So you need to be approved before you become an affiliate. Okay, you will apply and then after that you get approved and then you can start promoting the products. Now the other thing that we need to get is that when you are an affiliate, you actually get a commission. You earn a commission, not a salary. You don't get every month a salary, but you earn a commission from whatever that you have promoted and somebody bought it, and then whatever they bought, you get a commission from that. And also guys, the best way as an affiliate to do this, okay, it is to be not the only way, okay, not the only way, but the best way it is to actually become a content creator. Maybe you've got a Facebook page that is booming, or maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have a website and anything like that. It becomes nice if you already have traffic there, because you have to become a traffic driver. Okay, so you have to become a traffic driver for you to actually be able to do that. Okay, how to start guys? Okay, first of all, if you're starting from the scratch, right, if you're starting from the scratch, you need to start, or I can say one of the things that you can start with, it's a website. Okay, it's a website, or perhaps you can start a YouTube channel, you can start a Facebook group and drive traffic there, because you need to have a traffic before you can do all these things and all of that. All right, now another question is how much you can make. Okay, how much you can make on Amazon. Now on this one, it depends on how good you are doing and how well, on how effort you are putting, and how and also how aggressive you are, and also if you are marketing, your marketing is consistent and your marketing is good in a way. All right, so you can make the average of people who are using this thing, okay, they make around $500, okay, $500 per month within 6 months. All right, so if you're doing well, you're doing great, traffic is there and anything like that, you can make around $500,000 guys, okay, within 6 months. Okay, and also it will depend on how frequently you put content on your website or on your YouTube or anything like that, and also how aggressive you go with this. Okay, you gotta be, because you are actually selling, but you are selling somebody's product. Okay, promoting, or you can say selling, but selling indirectly, and something like that. Okay guys, what can you promote? Okay, now you can promote anything. These guys, the Amazon company, they've got how many? 600 million products that you can promote. It can be a health product, it can be books, it can be clothing, there are a lot, can be accessories, it can be anything like that. So it's up to you what you want to promote. Okay, what do you need actually to qualify? Okay, there must be some requirements. Well, fortunately, right, the way I saw it, fortunately, there are no special requirements for you, all right, to actually to have, okay, or maybe to have in order for you to qualify to be an affiliate. Okay, there are no special requirements. Okay, other than you just need to have a traffic. Okay, drive traffic on your website, YouTube, or anywhere, and then I guess that will work. Okay, because you gotta have an audience, right, to promote something. You can't promote something with 2 people there. You know, it's not gonna happen. All right, so you need to have that traffic. Okay, now there is a rule that they have there, which I'm going to close with, guys. There is a rule that they have there, okay, which is you must they say you need to sell a product, okay, within 3 months for you to remain in their affiliate program. Okay, that means if you join right now, all right, you need to make sure that in 3 months you have sold something, okay, and then they will keep you there. Okay, otherwise I guess that they will tell you, yeah, no, because you are not active, you didn't sell anything, and then maybe they will close you down and anything like that. So you can see that you need to be aggressive. You need to go out there and do your thing, like you know, just like that. So that is how, guys, you can make money in South Africa on Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found that informative and also helpful. And also, if you like the video, just like the video, that will be appreciated, ladies and gentlemen. And remember to stay safe out there, guys. And as I always close it, okay, as I always close it, boom.